The customer had a complaint of the clutch pedal feels like it's engaging a little low and he's getting a weird noise while he was driving. I confirmed that it had the issue engaging and was making the noise, pulled it in, checked through the little inspection hole, saw some clutch material. At that point, I was able to verify there is a clutch issue, and we had to go further and take out the transmission in order to get down to it and see what failed. This will be a 2 or 3 part video explaining on what goes on with the clutch, how it works, and the failure parts that are going to happen while you're driving.